Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get GTA San Andreas on PC legally and safely using the official Rockstar platform. Let's get started. First of all, open your web browser. Search for Rockstar Games' official website. Or you can check the link in the description. Once the website opens, click on the search icon at the top right corner. Click on Games. In the search bar, type GTA and press Enter. You will see a list of all GTA games. Scroll down and find GTA San Andreas. Click on it. On the game page, click Buy Now from the left menu. Click Buy Now again to continue. Sign into your Rockstar account. If you don't have one, create a free account. Add your payment method and complete the purchase. After payment, go to your library in the Rockstar Games launcher. Click on GTA San Andreas. Press Install. Choose your install location and start the download. Wait for the installation to finish, and then click Play.